Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Wagwan.
Wagwan, people.
Welcome back to a brand new video.
A brand new day, a brand new night, a brand new
Yeah. Yeah, man.
So guys, we're going out tonight. It's
Yeah.
Saturday night here in Melbourne, and we're just going to go out to the arts gallery because apparently there's some big arts thing happening. So we're going to go check that out. You know, hopefully it's not too dark and you guys can see.
Hopefully.
And yeah, just looking forward to just, you know, getting out and seeing what's around.
Let's see what the nightlife is.
The nightlife is basically.
Yeah, in Melbourne.
You know, we can't really do too much because we got Little
Yeah.
Island, but you know, we can walk around the city and show you guys the arts.
Yeah.
The arts in the dark or whatever.
Yeah, so we're going out for like an hour or two. And
yeah, and then we'll come home and
chill.
Chill.
Until fall asleep.
yeah, until we fall.
Yeah,
Alright
man,
guys, so stay tuned, let's go.
Yeah, man, blessings.
Alright.
Come over here as well. Don't forget him. Yeah, man.
And
Alright guys, so catch us on the road.
catch us on the road.
So we're out here guys. Out here now, you see?
Outside.
Yeah, man.
So guys, we're here at the arts gallery. Well, arts in the dark.
Guys, so we're in Australian Music Vault, which is like
All about Australian
music,
musicians.
yeah, history and everything.
Yeah.
This is really random, but we're just exploring.
Yeah, just exploring.
Yeah. So all of these stuff seems like the artists here, the celebrities wear warranties.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ACDC, the leather jacket.
Yeah.
Kylie Minogue,
The red. Where? Let's ask them where it originated from or something. Oh my god. Should we? Really?
Yep.
Guys, so we're just here and we see a sign that says jerk chicken. Look. I'm trying to zoom in.
Wow.
Jerk chicken. Look at that. What you said to me? Some white boy to you.
You want to get her?
No, the funny thing is I'm not even hungry, so I can't even sample it, I swear.
Yeah, we
But
can sample it.
it actually says what? Jamaican jerk chicken with a spicy, tangy barbecue sauce served with
Barbecue banana,
yeah, and
so plants, and obviously coconut rice
Yeah.
and pineapple salsa.
what you said to me?
You want to try it?
I don't, to be honest, I'm not even hungry,
I'm not
guys.
that hungry.
I'm not hungry, so I don't even think I'm gonna try it. But yeah,
That would be good to know. Beautiful. Hey, baby. Heribolda. Headquarters. Heribolda headquarters, guys. So Heribolda, if you ever get to see this, you know we watch you. We're big fans. Where the hell have you been, man? Oh, look. I think that was that guy that caught the train, wasn't it? With his wife? I don't know. Probably. That's so cute. I want to play with them. Hang on, wait. Hey guys, look at this. Oh. What do you reckon? I should get Babe to get me on one of these, eh? That'll be good. Oh. I should get Babe. I was just telling our subbies I should get Babe to get me on one of these.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Get Mamacita on one of these.
I don't know.
Oh.
I
I don't know, ask him. Ask him if you got a book for it, and where do you book? Hi.
How do you get on one of these? Do you have to book it?
Yeah, you book or you can go for a ride.
Okay, and what's it? How much?
It's 120 for the garage, and I was half an
So what was that? 120? Just 120. 120 for half hour.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, they're so cute. No, not this time around. I'd love to, but next time.
Alright, no problem. Because I would, right?
I know you would. That's why I'm like, I love that you would. But he's asleep too.
Yeah, true.
So he won't get enjoyment from it. True. Oh, you're so sweet, baby. See? I love my husband. And we're going to have an accident with Bobo.
What is that place there?
Good question. I don't know. It's Hammer Hall, whatever the hell Hammer Hall is.
Sorry.
You're right, baby. We're just trying to see what it is all about. Oh, it's like a stage acts.
Oh.
Wow, that is so cool. They do like, wow. I really like all that kind of stuff, like going, wow, look at this, the thing, it turns. Wow, guys, we're just off the Yarra River, which is just down below us. And we just had to stop and admire, hope you can hear me, the beauty of this city. It's actually really pretty. Actually really beautiful. I'm actually really impressed. Hey, baby.
Yeah, it's mad.
It's absolutely beautiful.
There's people on the water too. As I was saying to Babe, this would be mad to do net fishing, because imagine how much stuff you would find in here.
For real.
Especially it's a big city like this.
Definitely.
It's beautiful.
Wow. Absolutely beautiful, guys.
Yeah,
We're going to get some ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream, you know, because we're not really fussed, not really hungry. After eating all that African food today, guys, you see me from our previous video. Yeah, that was, yeah, full me up, full way up. You see, so we're not really hungry, we just need like ice cream.
Ice cream, just to,
yeah,
nice.
Before we go and all that, yeah, man.
Oh, beautiful. You're right with him, babes. Oh, look at that.
We had an audience up there.
Yeah, I didn't realize. Did a YouTube birthday song, wedding song on request. Aww. Oh, he does donation, PayPal, credit, please scan. So he makes his business this way.
Yeah.
Crazy, huh? Hey guys, go follow Frankie.
Those days are gone.
So guys, we're just here now on the lower level.
Yeah, see, there's another level which is lower again.
Which is, yeah, it kind of seems like it gets lower.
Yeah.
And that's the vibe, guys.
People spread out everywhere, so there's people everywhere just having a good time. City lights are beautiful.
Yeah.
The attraction is
families around.
Yes.
We're not the only ones.
We see heaps of YouTubers out here too, like, yeah.
Like Frankie.
Heaps of YouTubers doing their thing, you know, like Frankie karaoke.
Soon Babe's gonna be doing that.
Imagine that.
I'm sure everyone will support you same way.
Let's see.
Yeah.
I'd have to be in the city to do that kind of thing, you know, where, yeah.
Yeah, you can't do it in casino. Oh God.
Nah.
All right, let's keep going, guys. That swimming made Bobo tired too.
Yeah. See how early you went to sleep tonight?
Yeah, I know. So, babe, what's our next city?
What's our next city?
What's our next city?
We're gonna gamble that one.
Yeah, and remember, for everybody that actually tells us, right, where we're going, whoever gets it right, we got a little special gift. We don't know, but if you're in Jamaica, it'll be a bit hard to send anything. So we may have to come up with another solution. But yeah, what do you reckon?
Yeah.
Sounds like fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. So So this is the one I was telling you about, the googly eye statue. It's some mosaic, like mosaic. Mosaic?
Yeah, mosaic.
Mosaic. Yeah. That's what it is. Oh, ferry cruise and tickets. Nice. Alright. Where's it? Oh, look, there you go. Ice cream. There. Cups and cones. Oh my gosh, yes, so much to choose from. Well, it's a lot to choose from. Pops and cones. Ah, so many. So I got passion fruit.
I got mango.
It feels nice.
Yeah, it's
I'm
nice.
gonna try his one.
Yeah, man. How I go on?
Oh wow.
Mango shot, man.
Bobo's here.
Sleeping guys.
Probably gonna get going after this because
Yeah.
he'll wake up tired,
Fell
whatever.
asleep early because he had a long day.
And a long swim.
Yeah. And it's early. It's just what? Close to 7 o'clock or something like that. It's
Yeah.
pretty early.
Maybe hold the camera up, my arm's getting shot.
The view. Just chilling here, you know? Love you.
Love you.
Ice cream is done with. You know, so we just walk this strip here, so. And head home really. Yeah, so that's what's up. Still by the river. And as you guys can see, restaurants, cafe, everything here, you know. Everything to grab your attention to, you know. If you're hungry, if you want to smoke, you want to chill, anything, any and everything is here, you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
No, just like.
The stairs?
Yeah, no, it's good to see. Nice to see couples like out having dinner and stuff, you know. Tasmanian oysters. Full now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Full too.
Ooh.
Oh, that's a bridge that go across to the other side of the city.
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Yeah, then sort of like pass on.
Okay. I guess in the same thing.
Yeah, probably restaurants and
Yeah. So we're going on the bridge and then go up that way, guys. Yeah. Wow. A bit chilly still. Well, I guess this is Melbourne.
Ooh.
Wow. It's like everything here is built fancy. Like so decorated. Wow. Oh, it is. This guy's taking pics.
Would it be 2 weeks? Oh, hello.
Who knows, maybe this bridge will end up being like a Lover's Lock bridge.
It seems like it.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, there's this train station there.
Oh yeah.
Ah.
You mean Lovers Lock like what we saw in, was it the Gold Coast? Where did we saw that again? With the locks?
Sure, where we saw that.
Yeah.
I think I look like Nicki Minaj.
Ooh.
By the looks of it. Like a performer.
Yeah.
Playing some music down there.
Oh yes, it's just right across. Right across. Do you reckon there's more like predominantly male Jamaicans in Australia or females?
Probably there is.
Like in general, more females or more males? I think there's more males.
Yeah, because as far as I know, it's the males that we are knowing about. And yeah. Wow, look at that. Out on the water there, man. And they have like a fire in the middle, like kind of keeps you warm, I guess. That's mad. Yeah, at every table, I guess. Or it's just, like we'd have like a bin. What you call it? Just to warm you up, basically.
Like fire pit.
Yeah, that's the whole vibe there. Wow.
Really nice layout.
Yeah. Smart. This is raw and uncut, guys. Yeah.
To the gate.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's funny that we haven't had anyone say, oh my God, there you go.
Yeah. On this side have more people.
Yeah, it seems like it.
Yeah, because we're just over there, guys. But over this side, you see some people walking. Yeah.
Big W must be around the corner. They've got like the start.
Yeah.
David would love it up there right now. Dave would be like, oh, come on, Matt. Come on, man, let's go.
Yeah.
Such a darling thing. Alright, I'm just gonna climb the stairs.
Yeah, it seems like it. So we made it up, guys.
We just walked up this flight of stairs.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, little Bobo, I think he's awake now.
Away.
Yeah, so yeah, as we say, guys, we are going to head home.
Going home now.
Yeah, so the vibe of the city is it's amazing, you know. It's
We're gonna
beautiful
have to
out
sit
here.
down and do a talk.
Yeah,
When
yeah.
it's not so, because I think we're gonna,
Yeah, for sure.
sit down and do a talk just about our experience here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, man. So
Stay
yeah,
tuned.
yeah, man.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Blessings, guys.
Blessings.